So this is, what day are we? Wednesday. It's all been a blur, but this is Sumy at the moment. It's going quite attached to some local mud. So you can basically see where it was buried to yesterday. We went down in a ravine trying to find a bottom, broke through the crust, and the machine just sank up till its gunnels. I think that's a nautical term, but whatever a very high place on the machine is, that's where it broke to. And today, one of those joyous days where it's just cleaning mud with a gurney, making sure that Sumy is all okay, that there's no damage. Just got a shitload of mud to move today, and it's not dry mud that'll just fall off. It is sticky, wet stuff. So we've dropped a bit of oil when it was basically up on a 50-degree angle, coming back up the hill. All the oil in this machine comes out the dipstick. So you can see there's dropped oil out the back. We've got a panel that's slightly bent, but Mandela will take care of that because he's a metal wizard. And just got mud everywhere. Just, if you liked mud, this would be a great day. But I'm kind of ambivalent to mud, just purely because I like forward progress. And today represents not only no progress, but actually going back a step or two. But that's what it is. That's what this game's all about. You have good days, you have bad days. Yesterday wasn't a bad day because we got out, thanks to some local earth moving chaps who were very, very kind to come out and give us a hand 20 minutes after I rung them. So thank you to Noel and Gary. And very generous of spirit. They beavered away, so basically we were buried up to here. These machines, when they get buried and you run the tracks, tend to get a slurry up beneath them, and they go deeper and deeper to the point where you've lost the ability to dig because you're sucked in by the mud here. And this mud on either side, at the front, at the back, you've lost all ability to slew and all ability to dig. All the ability to raise the tracks up out of the suck. So I think it was about 1:30 yesterday, after beavering away at it for 4 hours, thinking I will get out of this, I can get out of this. I stopped and basically, nope, this is going to get worse. So I have, obviously when you're dealing with water and dirt, being bogged is always an issue, because there's an old saying in dam building, if you're not getting bogged, you're not trying hard enough. And we don't have the luxury of working on firm ground or on concrete or on roads. We are in the muck, and look at this mud bucket. That is a mud bucket in need of a bit of love. But structurally we're all okay. Sumy's a good machine, great engine. Isuzu just keeps going and going. We do look after it, but today is extra looking after. We get all this rubbish off Sumy, so she is all good. We get all that clean, get it checked out mechanically, and then we head back down there. And that little piece in the ravine there was where my little episode happened yesterday. So it's all good, the weather's good, the sky's blue, there's no rain, life's good. Well, you know, goodish.